And yes, deal closed, we won again. As I said, it's great strategy. Hi, I'm Emily. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have an author's Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write to me in private messages, I want to join the VIP. See you! Watch this video till the end and I will tell you about my super powerful trading guide, which you can get today absolutely for free. Today I will show you one of the most simple and effective trading strategies that I'm using by myself. We are gonna need only 3 indicators: EMA, MACD and RSI. Time to move to a trading platform. I'm using Pocket Option. You can find the link in the description. Let's start setting up. Let's start by setting the time frame. Set 1 minute, then set the trade time to 1 minute as well. Now let's add indicators to the chart. Add moving average twice, RSI and MACD. Set up moving average 1. Set the period to 7 and the type to EMI. Then go to styles and set the color. I like white. For the second MI, we set period 26. The type is also EMI. In styles, I set the color to orange. This is our signal line and I want to see it well. We leave the MACD settings as standard, and for the RSI in styles we set 80, 50, 20. Now we have everything ready for trading. Let's get started. First of all, we need to find a pair that is not in a flat sideways movement. In order to determine this, just look at the chart. If MI constantly intersects for 5 candles, then this pair is not suitable for us and at the moment. 3 conditions must be met in order to enter an increase. The white MI should cross the orange MI from bottom to top. MACD bars should be above the zero line and RSI must be above 50. And to enter a decline, the white MI respectively should cross the orange one from top to bottom, and MACD bar should be below the zero line and RSI is below 50. With an understanding of the enter trade conditions, we are ready to move on to practice. Friends, before moving on to the practical development of my new trading strategy, I promised to tell you about my author's trading guide. My guide is a collection of my rules for organizing money management, which will help you earn big money on trading without loss. And today you can get my guide for free. What you need to do? Follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it and write to me in private messages, I want a guide. Do it right now and thank me later, and we move on to practice. All conditions are met. I'm waiting for a good entry point. Now I think is the perfect moment to enter trade. Great, we won! Friends, I will be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. And second trade for today, MACD is below zero line, RSI is below 50. I'm entering trade as soon as MI lines are crossed. And without any problems, we are taking plus $230 from this trade. It's perfect. MI crossed. All other indicators are fine too. Entering trade up. And yes, deal closed, we won again. As I said, it's great strategy. Today I showed you one of my favorite strategies for binary options and we got good profit. That's it for today. Subscribe to my channel, put likes and write comments. See you in my next video. Bye bye.